Windows are one of the most essential components of your home, contributing to both its energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. However, they are also exposed to the elements, especially in Crestview, Florida, where the climate can be hot and humid in the summer, and occasionally stormy during hurricane season. Proper maintenance of your windows not only helps them perform better but also extends their lifespan, ensuring that they continue to provide protection, comfort, and energy efficiency for years to come. Here's a guide to maintaining your windows in Crestview's climate to ensure their longevity and effectiveness. Regular cleaning to prevent dirt and debris buildup. In Crestview, where high humidity and rain are common, windows can quickly accumulate dirt, dust, and water stains. Cleaning your windows regularly prevents buildup, which can lead to corrosion, staining, and potential damage over time. To clean your windows, use a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the window frame or glass. For the glass, a simple mixture of water and dish soap works well, followed by a rinse with clean water. For the frames and sashes, use a damp cloth to remove dirt, but be careful not to saturate wood frames, as excessive moisture can lead to swelling or rot. In Crestview, where heavy rains are common, be sure to clean the tracks, sills, and frames regularly. Water that accumulates in these areas can cause mold, mildew, and rust, especially around window seals and hardware. Inspect and maintain window seals. The seals around your windows play a crucial role in preventing air and water leaks. Over time, the weather stripping or seals can wear out, leading to drafts, energy loss, and water infiltration, particularly during heavy rains or hurricanes in Crestview. To maintain the seals, inspect them at least twice a year, especially after severe weather events. If you notice any cracks, gaps, or signs of wear, replace the seals promptly. You can use caulk to seal minor gaps around the frame, but for more significant issues, you may need to replace the weather stripping or consult a professional. Maintaining good window seals helps improve energy efficiency by preventing heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during the hot summers and warmer during cooler months, and also protects against water intrusion. Lubricate and clean moving parts. Many windows, especially sliding or casement windows, have moving parts like locks, hinges, and tracks. These parts are prone to wear and tear, especially with frequent use. In Crestview's climate, where humidity can cause metal parts to rust and wooden components to swell, regular lubrication and cleaning are essential. To keep your windows functioning smoothly, lubricate the moving parts with a silicone-based lubricant, which is perfect for preventing rust and ensuring easy operation. Avoid grease-based lubricants, as they tend to attract dirt and debris, causing further issues. Clean the tracks and hinges of your windows periodically to remove dust, dirt, and other debris that could impede movement. If you have wooden windows, inspect the frames for any signs of swelling or warping caused by moisture. Ensure that the wood is properly sealed to prevent water damage, and repaint or reseal the wood every few years to protect it from the elements. Check for damage after storm. Crestview, located in Florida, can experience powerful storms and hurricanes. After each major storm, it's important to inspect your windows for any damage. High winds, rain, and flying debris can cause cracks, chips, or even break the glass, making it essential to check the condition of your windows. Look for cracks in the glass, signs of water leakage, or damage to the frame and seals. If you find any significant damage, it's best to address it promptly, as delaying repairs can worsen the problem and lead to energy loss, water damage, and compromised security. If your windows are impacted during hurricane season, consider installing storm shutters or hurricane-rated windows for added protection in the future. Address condensation issues. Condensation inside the window panes is a sign that your windows may be losing their ability to insulate properly. While a small amount of condensation is normal in humid environments like Crestview, excessive moisture between double-glazed window panes can indicate a broken seal or air leakage. If you notice condensation that doesn't dissipate or continues to appear between the panes, it may be time to replace the window. A professional window technician can inspect the unit to determine if the seal is broken and whether the window needs to be repaired or replaced. Consider window tinting or treatment. Crestview's intense sunlight can cause wear and tear on your windows, leading to fading of furniture, carpets, and even the window frames themselves. Installing window tint or applying UV protective film can help block harmful UV rays, preventing heat buildup and protecting your interior furnishings. Window tinting also enhances energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer and blocking direct sunlight, which can make your home more comfortable and reduce reliance on air conditioning. Additionally, tinted windows can provide added privacy and reduce glare, making your home more comfortable throughout the day. Professional inspection and maintenance. While DIY maintenance is important, it's also a good idea to schedule a professional inspection of your windows every few years. A trained technician can identify any issues that may not be immediately visible, such as air leaks, water damage, or problems with the window frame or structure. A professional window technician can also perform necessary repairs, like replacing seals or adjusting hardware, which can extend the life of your windows and help maintain their energy efficiency. Conclusion. Proper window maintenance is crucial to ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your windows in Crestview's climate. Regular cleaning, inspection of seals, lubrication of moving parts, and addressing any damage after storms are key to keeping your windows in top condition. With proper care, your windows will continue to provide comfort, security, and energy efficiency for years to come, making your home more enjoyable and cost-effective. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can protect your investment, enhance your home's appearance, and ensure that your windows are performing at their best.